How do you track external links that are pointing to your website? External links are getting tracked automatically by Google Analytics, but the problem is that in some of the cases Google Analytics doesn't know where your visitor is coming from, so they put it under direct and none. And in other cases, most of the times Google Analytics doesn't know from which campaign your visitor is coming from. So in order to get more information from where your visitor is coming from, we're going to use UTM tags in your links. So right now we go into my computer and I will show you how this looks like in your acquisition report from Google Analytics. So right now I'm clicking on acquisition overview, and over here you see that these are the different kind of mediums. When I would click, for example, on social, you see the different sources, and the sources are YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and so on. And underneath the source you also have the campaign. So if you're making a campaign on Facebook about a Christmas deal, and you want to track this Christmas deal by itself, and you're not giving your URL a UTM tag, you'll not be able to do this because you also have other visitors coming in from Facebook, and you'll not be able to separate this in your Google Analytics report. And that's what you want to do, because as an online marketer you want to be able to track everything, and you want to know exactly how good and how well your advertisement is running. So I will show you how to make UTM tags in the correct way. You can do this on Facebook, in the Facebook advertisement platform, but the problem with that is that you'll not be able to tag consistently. So if you are making a spreadsheet where you keep every tag that you're using, so for example, if you use a Facebook advertisement with Christmas, you want to tag over here, you want to tag this exactly the same if you make another Facebook advertisement that's falling underneath Christmas, but when you use a different picture, you want to have underneath content picture number 3 or picture number 4 or whatever the name is of your picture. So you will be able to know which picture is converting better onto your website than the other advertisements. So I'll show you how to make a good UTM link with this spreadsheet that I made for you guys. You can click on the link down below this video, and I made this spreadsheet public and open for everyone. You can just copy underneath file and make a copy or download it, so you'll be able to use this as well. So over here I would copy this link and paste it over here. This is the page that the people will send, the visitors will send to onto my website when they are seeing my advertisement. And for example, I want to make a Facebook advertisement. I click on social, Facebook, and the reason that they're dropping down is because I've already used them over here. So it makes it easier to make this consistent. And for example, I want to make a new advertisement for the 20% off. I click on that campaign, and this time I used picture number 10 or whatever the name is, and over here you see the link that is generated by the spreadsheet, and this link can be used to track where the visitors coming from in your Google Analytics account. So if I would copy this link and put into my Facebook advertisement, Google Analytics knows exactly from which Facebook advertisement your visitor is coming from. And as you can see, I will open a new tab, click on enter. You just go to the website like it's normal, but the difference is that over here the UTM tags are visible. So these UTM tags are getting sent to your analytics account, and Google Analytics knows exactly what to do with this and will put this into your acquisition report. So this is how to make your external links trackable, and much better trackable than there normally are. The big thing is that you want to use a spreadsheet because, or you want to use a spreadsheet because if you're not using campaign names consistently with the same name, so for example, if you have one big campaign with different content, you want to use the same campaign name because otherwise it's much harder to compare the different kind of contents with each other, because they will not be put in the same table if you're not giving them the same name in one level ahead. So I hope everything is clear. If you have a question about how to use UTM tags properly, put them down in the reactions underneath the video, and I will put the link underneath the video from the spreadsheet, and I hope you guys are be able to make good UTM tags now. I'll see you next video, and don't forget to subscribe.